Hi there! Let's have fun learning the ABCs together with colorful flashcards. Are you ready to start our alphabet adventure? Let's go from I. Ice.
Ice. Can you say it with me? Ice.
Ice. Idea.
Idea. Can you say it like I do? Idea.
Idea. Important.
Important. Let's say it one more time together. Important.
Important. Island.
Island. Come on, let's say it together. Island.
Island. Information.
Information. Repeat after me, nice and loud. Information.
Information. Increase.
Increase. Can you say it with me? Increase.
Increase. Interesting.
Interesting. Can you say it with me? Interesting.
Interesting. Industry.
Industry. Repeat after me, nice and loud. Industry.
Industry. Inside.
Inside. Let's say it one more time together.
Inside.
Inside.
Invite.
Invite. Can you say it like I do? Invite.
Invite.
Great job today! You're learning so fast! Can you remember these words? What is this?
Ice. Ice.
What is this?
Idea. Idea.
What's this called?
Important. Important.
What is this?
Island. Island.
What is this?
Information. Information.
What is this?
Increase. Increase.
What is this?
Interesting. Interesting.
What is this?
Industry. Industry.
What is this?
Inside. Inside.
What is this?
Invite. Invite. Well done. You did an amazing job. Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next video.